Today, we're about to uncover the shocking truth hidden within your favorite smoothie recipes. Stick around because you won't believe what's lurking in those seemingly innocent blends. Did you know that your favorite smoothie might be sabotaging your health goals? Hold on tight as we dive into the world of hydrating smoothies versus their sugar-packed counterparts. It's time to rethink what you're sipping. Welcome to EcoFit Life. Today, we're about to embark on a journey that will change the way you think about your daily smoothie fix. Get ready for a revelation that might just reshape your entire approach to nutrition. Now, let's get real. How many hidden sugars do you think are lurking in those popular smoothie recipes? Brace yourself for the truth. It's more than you'd ever imagine. We're talking about a sugar overload that's silently wreaking havoc on your health. The problem is clear. Consuming sugary smoothies can lead to weight gain, energy crashes, and a host of other health issues. Let's delve deeper into the science behind it. Excessive sugar intake is linked to inflammation, insulin resistance, and even an increased risk of chronic diseases. Picture this. The more you consume those sugary drinks, the more your body is fighting against you. Now, let's turn the tide. Hydrating smoothies are the game changer you've been waiting for. Imagine improved hydration, radiant skin, and sustained energy levels throughout the day. But it's not just about the benefits. It's about the journey to a healthier lifestyle. The key ingredients that make hydrating smoothies a nutritional powerhouse are right at your fingertips. Think vibrant fruits, nutrient-packed vegetables, and the right dose of healthy fats. But let's not stop there. Let's break down the nutritional value of each component, exploring how they contribute to your body's optimal functioning. From antioxidants to essential vitamins, each ingredient plays a crucial role in nourishing your body. As we wrap up this eye-opening journey, let's explore additional benefits of hydrating smoothies that we might have missed earlier. From improved digestion to enhanced immune function, the positive impact on your overall health is vast. It's not just about a beverage. It's about embracing a lifestyle that prioritizes your well-being. Before we conclude, let's take a moment to address common myths about smoothies and provide evidence-backed insights to help you make informed choices. Myth 1. All smoothies are healthy. While smoothies can be a nutritious choice, not all smoothies are created equal. Many store-bought or pre-made smoothies contain high amounts of added sugars, artificial flavors, and preservatives. It's essential to be mindful of the ingredients and choose whole, nutrient-dense options. Myth 2. Fruit-only smoothies are the healthiest. While fruits are packed with vitamins and antioxidants, relying solely on fruit in your smoothies can lead to an excess of natural sugars. To balance the nutritional profile, include a variety of ingredients such as vegetables, protein sources, and healthy fats to enhance the smoothie's overall nutrient content. Myth 3. Smoothies cannot contribute to weight gain. Despite their health benefits, consuming excessive amounts of high-calorie smoothies can contribute to weight gain. It's important to be mindful of portion sizes and not overdo it on calorie-dense ingredients like nut butters, sweeteners, or high-fat dairy products. Myth 4. Liquid bases don't affect the nutrition. The choice of liquid base matters. While water is a low-calorie option, using sugary fruit juices or sweetened yogurt can significantly increase the calorie and sugar content of your smoothie. Opt for healthier liquid bases like water, unsweetened almond milk, or coconut water to keep your smoothie nutritious. And Myth 5, you can't overdo it on healthy ingredients. While incorporating a variety of healthy ingredients is essential, it's still possible to overdo it. Excessive amounts of even nutrient-dense foods can lead to an imbalance in your overall diet. Be mindful of portion sizes and aim for a well-rounded, diverse selection of ingredients to achieve a balanced and nutritious smoothie. Busting these myths can help you make more informed and health-conscious choices when it comes to incorporating smoothies into your diet. In summary, hydrating smoothies aren't just a trend. They're a lifestyle choice that can transform your health. If you're eager to dive deeper into the world of nutrient-packed smoothies, boost your energy levels, and fortify your immune system, make sure to catch our next video. I'll be sharing some fantastic recipes that are not only delicious, but also power-packed with benefits. And here's a pro tip. Invest in a quality blender to make the most of your smoothie journey. Check the link in the description for a reliable blender and juice maker. Thanks for joining us today. Hit that like button, subscribe for more EcoFit tips, and remember, your well-being is your greatest wealth. Stay hydrated, stay healthy, stay tuned.